As CEOs, waiting until your app is completed before you launch it is a fatal mistake. You can validate product market fit 10x faster using massive feedback. So give me the next 5 minutes and I'm going to walk you through the 3 reasons why the waiting to launch your marketing is a fatal mistake. And I'm going to show you how to find product market fit 10x faster. Hey, my name is Jean-Michel Moreau, and I help SaaS CEOs unlock product growth using a scientific approach to advertising. So after 20 years experience, I've created the massive feedback method so that CEOs can grow and scale faster and make a bigger impact with their product. And in every single episode, what you're going to get is something that you can immediately implement. So that's going to grow your business radically faster. So give me the next 5 minutes and I'm going to walk you through the 3 reasons why the waiting to launch your marketing is a fatal mistake. And I'm going to show you how to find your product market fit 10x faster. So right now, you're probably juggling developers and dealing with edge cases and endless bugs. You already know about MVPs, minimum viable products, and maybe your app just doesn't feel viable yet. Nevertheless, you need to start marketing it now. And here's the 3 reasons why. Number 1 is that a profitable customer acquisition is just as big as a problem as building your product. So that's the first one. It's the same size problem. Number 2, validating your marketing doesn't actually require that your product is even complete. And number 3, you could already start validating your pricing before your app exists, and many other of your questions you could start solving with marketing. So what can you do instead of waiting for the app to finish? You could start to create massive feedback using low-cost single variable tests. For example, the most important question that you need to answer to start a good marketing campaign is which exact customer pain points gets a customer or a user to click. And in the massive feedback method, what we're doing is we're using 24-hour feedback loops and cheap $30 tests to answer these questions and more questions like that. The massive feedback method, it works because you're isolating each single variable in your marketing system so you know what works, but you know why it works. It's low cost. You can already afford to start running these tests today. Now, if you want to get the massive feedback method quick start guide, I will show you exactly step by step how to get these tests running in under 10 minutes. So just comment with guide below in the comments. And this guide is going to show you exactly step by step what to do. That is going to radically reduce the time that it takes you to find product market fit so you can scale your business faster. So comment guide below, and I'd love to send you the quick start guide to show you exactly how you can start doing these tests in just 10 minutes.